historic Keystone. What a neat town. Oh my goodness. This is so... I love it. Black Hills Gibson Gold Daisy Chain Keystone Custom T-shirts. It's a historic center.
A lot of neat buildings.
Helicopter tours. They have a Quality Inn. Come on in. Absolutely amazing.
Mount Rushmore.
Yeah, I can't get any closer. Let me zoom in.
Really?
How about that for a picture? Oh my goodness. I hope y'all are enjoying this as much as we are enjoying bringing it to you. This has been an amazing journey to get here. We still have more to see. So y'all hang on. We're in Ten Sleep, Wyoming.
What was the population?
246. guess that doesn't count the herds of sheep we saw. There's the 10 Sheep Saloon and Restaurant. We could have stopped there, Pop.
Dirty Sally's
Dirty Sally's General Store.
Big Horn Bar. It's a bar town.
There you go. There's
That's what
10 Slate.
That's the way they get people to stop. Yep, you're right.
Good
It wasn't open last night.
Good morning, everybody. We're riding back through Cody. We got in late yesterday afternoon, early evening, and we were tired, so we were ready to just go to the hotel and rest. On your left is the Buffalo Bill Center of the West. He had a lot to do with this area, and up here we're going to see a hotel that's named after his daughter, Irma, and there's a restaurant there, but it's just a beautiful historic town, isn't it?
It is.
And the temperatures this morning right now are 70 degrees. So, a little bit cooler than it is at home, but not by much from what I saw.
I think the highs are going to be in the 70s today till about 3 o'clock, and then it'll go up to 80.
Yeah, but I don't think it's supposed to rain today, is it? We're going to be meeting our niece and her husband. Looky here. Okay, see on the right, Irma's Buffalo Bills Hotel, original hotel, is a historical building, and Irma was his daughter. Isn't that beautiful? It's an amazing little town here.
Still got a theater here, Wild West Theater.
There's a lot to do up in this area if you're up here. Now we've got to get on our way, so we're not going to be able to go around and do a lot of these things. But if you're up here, you need to check it out. There's a Yellowstone gift shop, a boat shop. They have lakes up here, and all kind of shops here. Mountain Girl, Wyoming. They spell it MTNGRL. They have bars, and if that's your thing, and
Yeah, they've got a bar in every other building.
Big Chill ice cream. There's a candy shop, restaurants, Mexican food. We wanted to eat at the Irma last night, but they were closing. We were late getting in and trying to get out. There's Fat Racks Barbecue, Granny's Family Dining. There's Chief Joseph Beartooth Scenic Byways. We're not going to go that way because we're headed to Yellowstone. So we're going to be turning around here. And I just wanted to give y'all a little peek of the town. So we will talk to you guys later.